teacher, we need to know about our education, right? Being a teacher, we need to know how is our primary education, secondary education, right? So how our education administration and management is going on, right? Without knowing, we cannot sustain. If we know family members each other, if we know about our family well, so we can be role model to the other family. In such way, if we want to lead a best service to our education system, so we need to follow, we need to know about in detail. If we do, if you may not get 100% knowledge of the education, but at least you will reach 85 to 90%. We will know about our education in this session.
ಉದ್ಯಾನವೇ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರವಿರು ಉದ್ಯಾನವೇ ನಾ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಳಲಾರೆನು ಬದುಕುವ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ದಾರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನು ದಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಿತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರವಿರು ಉದ್ಯಾನವೇ ನಾ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಳಲಾರೆನು
Primary education is the governments are giving the 100% literacy and numeracy knowledge to the students who is the 6 to 14 years between age 6 to 14 years and who is learning one standard to it should be the first standard to 8th standard. By that the before days we are not learning, they are not giving good education in a education part. For that the Kottara education, DS Kottara Education Commission was help on program to get more knowledge in education part. First of all, in 1964 they have started this program to give more knowledge to the in primary education.
This is started of the Mysore Raichur district. This is started to Raichur district and when the summer season, the 5 days, 10 days or 15 days, depend upon schools. Every day changes of the cultural programs. One day singing and dancing, one day social work. Every day changes of the learning. All students involved to
is very important in education management. You already know how is importance in education management in Deshpande Foundation. Example to the education management
First,
in
let's
Deshpande
say about
Foundation.
what is education. Already you know education is life, life is education. This quotation puts John Dewey. Why puts this quotation? Nowadays education is very helpful to us because when we not taken the education, suddenly we come back, we return to Smriti era. He told Nastri Swatantram Aharati because we not taken the education suddenly, all are not equal in the society. So education is very necessary
in our
to be
village,
people.
there is no school, but students are there. But that students are used to go for the school by walk. That school is too far. Otherwise, that school is too far. That time, that village people are gathered and they are discussing about that school and they requested to government that time that DSERT that requested and that DSERT come and research into that means researching and training research about that village.
Training of HM post. If suppose you have to appoint a direct headmaster post, first we have to give a training, that is HMs, how to maintain the schools and how to maintain the all things SDNCs like all schools materials. That is HM's training. And next one, teacher trainings. If suppose you have to appoint a assistant teacher, that time the assistant teacher should be trained by how to teach the
In the
syllabus
class,
of
three types of students are there. One quick learners, middle learners, and slow learners. By activities they are doing, that time they are showing curiosity more. For that, their slow learners also improve. And it will reduce the burden to the teachers. Yeah. It is giving general condition given to the schools some lab equipments, materials. When they are using in the teaching field, it is saving the time. It is saving the time and it is burden to the teachers.
Not only work, it is the experience work. This is the vocational education. Next one, it is the skill while making money. Vocational education is not only money, it is the working, making money also. Example, cortex intellectual index and many example. And is you know Kannada means pre-technicality.
First started the Pratham is event to learning organization. Then the Pratham first started in the 1994. Then it's created to improve the quality of education in India. Then India is very education is very poor. Then the Pratham supported the how to learn. Then the Pratham supported India.
Agastya International Foundation, it is one of the Indian Educational Trust and it is one of the non-profit organization. And the headquarters of this Agastya International Foundation, it is located in Bangalore, India, and it is one of the non-profit organization. We already know about the non-profit organization. Non-profit organization means it is one of the organization. The purpose of this organization is more than making money, or it is dedicated his work for a particular social goal.
Experience given to children and teachers and community throughout and other experimental learning methods. First we go to In Agastya Foundation provide to small stories, small science model we give to children and practically this shows to and the children got knowledge in science and mathematics. And second we come to point. This one shows to in when we practice small science model, that time we encourage and we creativity in science. In small things we using it practically. And we come to when we got knowledge in science model, that time we excited and we showing our experience and our feelings in how we showing, you know, showing this type. And government has taken the note of secondary education improvement, and they want improvement in secondary level education. And the principal objectives are to enhance quality of secondary education. Quality means physically and mentally and overall good quality, and to provide good they provide good quality of teachers, and mainly if in secondary level they want ladies teachers in school. Why? Because secondary level girls face more problems in their life. That's why they want to appoint only ladies teacher in secondary level.
For improvement in the secondary education quality level, the government provide infrastructures like blackboard, laboratories and libraries and other equipments. They are provided by the government. From this, the secondary level of education will be improved. Second point, to remove gender, socio-economic and disability barriers. No child is deprived from the satisfactory quality education. Satisfactory quality
These are
education.
process very important in this scheme comes under the Nalikari process. So first one, training process. Before teachers training on monthly or yearly, so that meant teachers how to teach, how to utilize that one subject, how to create attraction the students' mind and how to impress the
to develop, next one, to develop patriotism. What is the meaning of patriotism? And to develop the patriotism, secondary education is the one great intention of patriotism. Whenever we go to other countries and other places, we respect to our nation, our national anthem, and our identify our nation. So that's called develop or
2006 and 7, the given the only girls, and then after the government given the bicycle guys, and 2007 and 8, and then the midday meal program, the government given the midday meal program because the rural children have not any facilities, and then the government given the program is to improve the child improve the nutrition, nutrition food, and then to improve the growth and the ability, and then to improve the social equality, and then Pratibha Karanji, the school including the Pratibha Karanji, then the drama dance, and then cultural activities
Provided
like
by CBSE, Central Board of Education, Central Board of Secondary Education. This is under private and public schools is coming, and CBSE means abbreviation Central Board of Secondary Education.
ICSE means Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Is non-government also here, government also here. Is our whole India and also the world also follows that syllabus.
And history about the CBSE, history of CBSE.
Some of non-government organization, like our best example is Akshay Patra. Akshay Patra is one of the non-government organization. It is providing midday meal for the government school and also aided school.
Yes, Nanga, why can't not only government, non-government also providing midday meal for the school education and children. Today we are discuss about Akshay Patra in the main point of Akshay. What they are providing, how they are working, when it started, what is the history of Akshay Patra, how it started. Today we are discuss about these topics, these points. First one, introduction, history of Akshay Patra.
Objectives of Akshay Patra,
Midday meal of Akshay Patra,
specialties of Akshay Patra,
teacher of Akshay Patra,
daily routine of Akshay Patra,
work of Akshay Patra.
The Indian Constitution 1948, that time there is no available meeting of Indian sector, social department, also education department. After the 1983, the current Panchayat Act, that time central government and state government provides to one act and one scheme, that is SDM scheme. And SDM means, what is the full form of SDMC? School Development Monitoring committee. It started in the 2001, but this act passed in the central government 1983. After the 1983, up to 2011, is veto power by the president. The resolution was passed in the central government. After the some IAS officers and thinkers, after thought passed in the 2001. In that moment, in central government and also state government, so many things.
They conduct the 10 days, 10 days, nearly 20 days. They conduct the SSA teacher training. After only 10 days, BRC level, they conduct teacher training because practically basic quality education they provide. Next 10 days, cluster level means CRC level they conduct. This is also basically knowledge of the classroom and practical is also comes under the CRC.
First, I would like to tell about content. First, introduction, meaning and characteristics, object, program, conclusion and reference. First, introduction. It is started in 1970 in here when he was Vajpayee was as Prime Minister. That time he started this program, and after he 205 million children were including in this program, and 2001, 2002, 2001 in here started this also program, and here it is
on their belief and benefit. If we are going to do one activity or whatever we are going to do one achievement, in that we should find out the first what we should find out. First what we should have to find out means first there is a benefit of that achievement. When we are going to do that work and all those things, we will get the benefit of this. We should think about that. We should think about the benefit of that work. Here they are keeping the belief on the students, and they are motivating the students motivating students, and they will trust the
because I thought my presentation maybe it's but unfortunately I got the last chance to present my presentation.
Fresh morning you have presented, you know.
Yeah, I think we did the best presentation, and thank for Shivanand sir and Tamil.
Really, it is one of the memorable night for us. As we are all teachers, we better to know that these all matters. And already today I learned more patience, and also that all matters. So this all helps in our future. And also these all credits go to DF team. Thank you.
This session from 5th batch and 6th batch. Now I updated early in the morning. It's 8th and 9th. They are saying, oh. That's what I really felt very happy. And one more thing, you all done good job. It's not like I'm not. You don't think after the completing sir telling this words, you should not think that. Really, you all done good job. For that, take your hand and appreciate yourself and appreciate others also.
Hey, Samra is
opportunity. If they must and shouldn't, so we need to work on that. Why telling this? Maybe future we'll get opportunity to work with a big workshop, seminar, some big event. That time these things will help. And you see the energy, how people, yesterday night 10:30 also same energy, morning 7:30 also same energy. That's what I'm telling now. Still it's possible up to evening. If you decide. If you not decide, that's it. If you decide, yes sir, it's possible. Yes sir. Should have enjoyed that. Then only it's possible. And for me again, with your batch, again different experience compared to that 7 and 8, 9. Why I'm telling is, all presentation came amazing. And one more thing, I observed, especially all PowerPoint, you see there is no single mistakes, only 1 or 2 slides like only spell mistakes. And I'll show you like batch 4 and 5, I'm not telling like wrong, they are wrong. Lots of things, align, center line, right align, unnecessary size, slide color and everything. Now we like, you all done beautiful PowerPoint and even presentation also. So keep same practice in your life, upcoming days. These things will help in your professional life. So we should have practice. And one thing, what Ravi sir told now, our objective to conduct this night session, to know about ourselves first, to test ourselves, not Shivana, not Anita, to test ourselves. And maybe we all will be like upcoming days almost on 99% in teaching only. Teaching almost, we want to teach. So we done that only whole night. Now we'll bhajan tumarila. We done that teaching only here. So that's what we got lots of things. What someone told no, like who that Geeta told no. I learned body language from her. Yes, from
ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಗೆ